Dill, the spicy diva of the herb world. Dill is a funny herb. It smells strong like anise or licorice. Some people love it, some people hate it. But dill does not care. It grows where it wants. It helps some plants, but not others. Dill is a real diva, but a tasty one. Dill is easy to grow. Just sprinkle some seeds in the sun. Then watch it grow tall and feathery. Dill has delicate leaves and yellow flowers, but don't be fooled by its delicate looks. Dill is a tough plant. Dill has been used for centuries. Ancient Egyptians used it for medicine. The Romans thought it brought good luck. Today, we use it in cooking and for its health benefits. In the kitchen, it's a star ingredient in pickles and salad dressings, adding a fresh, tangy flavor to dishes. It's also packed with health benefits. Dill is rich in vitamins A and C, calcium and iron. It's an excellent antioxidant, and traditionally it's been used to soothe digestive issues, reduce bloating, and even freshen breath. Some studies suggest dill may help regulate blood sugar and support heart health due to its high levels of flavonoids and minerals. So dill is a plant of contrasts. It's delicate but tough, loved and hated. But one thing is for sure, dill is never boring. Dill in the garden, friend or foe. Dill is a friend to some plants, a foe to others. It's a bit of a mystery. Dill repels some bad bugs. This protects nearby vegetables. For example, it keeps caterpillars away from cabbages. Good news for gardeners. Dill attracts good bugs too. Ladybugs and hoverflies love dill. They eat pests that harm your plants. So dill helps create a natural balance in your garden. But dill can be a bit fussy. It doesn't like growing near some plants. It doesn't do well with carrots or fennel. Keep them far apart. And dill doesn't like being moved once planted. So when planting dill, choose its neighbors carefully. Observe how it behaves. This diva likes things its way. Dill's not just for the garden. It's a tasty addition to many dishes. The real kicker with dill, its intense flavor can either make or break a dish. For some, it's a must-have in everything from fish to yogurt sauces, while others find its distinct taste too overpowering. And don't forget its potent nutritional profile. Fresh dill leaves add a burst of flavor to salads. They are delicious with fish, especially salmon. Dill seeds are used in pickles and breads. They add a warm, slightly bitter taste. You can even make a refreshing dill tea. Dill is also good for you. It is full of vitamins and minerals. Dill can boost your immunity thanks to its high vitamin C content, support bone health with its calcium, and offer a good dose of fiber. Love it or hate it, dill's unmistakable flavor and health benefits make it a herb that demands attention. And in the right dish, it's nothing short of transformative. Dill can help with the digestion. It may even help you sleep better. Some people believe it has calming properties. So next time you're cooking, add a touch of dill. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Section 4. The dill dilemma. A love-hate relationship? Dill is a herb of two sides. It's helpful and challenging, loved and hated. Its strong smell and taste can be divisive. Some find it refreshing, others overpowering. Its behavior in the garden is also unpredictable. It attracts beneficial insects, but repels some plants. Growing dill can be a learning curve, full of surprises. But that's what makes dill so interesting. It keeps us on our toes. It reminds us that nature is full of surprises. Whether you love it or hate it, Dill is a herb that demands attention. So, embrace the dill dilemma. Experiment with it in your garden and your kitchen. You might just discover its hidden charms. Section 5. Over to you. Share your dill dilemmas. Have you had any interesting experiences with dill? Do you love it in your cooking, or do you avoid it? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. For more gardening tips and culinary inspiration, please subscribe. And as always, if you found this video interesting, please hit the like button. Happy gardening and bon appetit.